Green flag on lap 152 here at Bristol Motor Speedway. Guys, we're already 3 wide. I don't want Kyle to win. I love Kyle Busch, but I don't want him to win. I don't like him. Extremely good cup drivers go down into the truck series and go and dominate every single race. Move him! Yee! Let's get it, boy. Oh, he's getting it, boy. He's getting it, boy. Whoa! Woo! He's getting it, boy. I tell you, he's getting that thing. Yee-hoo! 10 months later, Tiger's down and goes slamming into the outside wall. So it's wall riding. Like Casey Kane Truex style. Just instead of normal. Just keep forgetting Ziggity Zane Smith. Smith is up here. Boom. He was already Kyle was already sideways. Kyle ain't got no lettering on his tire. He made that tire may go down. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like it's a, I don't know.